Well, there actually have been periods of greater explosive activity at Kilauea. We tend to think of it as this volcano that's very gentle, it puts out lava, and occasional explosions like this one. There have been time periods in the past where it has been more explosive, but the conditions for that kind of activity are not there. They're not in place right now. So what we're seeing now is sort of what we would expect from this sort of activity.